Last month was the month to watch and pray. And throughout, for about 18 months plus now, the man of God has been sharing with us about the soon return of our Lord Jesus Christ. And it's important that we live our lives in such a way that reflects our consciousness of His return. Our Master is at hand. His coming is at hand, and we have to live alert, live focused lives as Christians. Discover more in today's Rhapsody of Realities as you study how to be alert and ready. Also, prepare others by distributing Rhapsody Realities. Click on the link today and become a partner. Love you. God bless you.